Now we're going to work on the syllabication of our layer 3. We're on the back side of the page. We're going to be using our syllabication page. Our first one we're going to do is the word membrane. And what we're going to do is we're going to underline our vowels. We're going to mark them and draw our bridge. We see that we're going to scoop up our B and our R and label our consonants. And then we see that there is an E that follows our A on our second syllable. So we are going to actually draw an arrow, and that is going to be our M, our magic E. We're going to draw a line between our consonants to separate them. And our first syllable is going to be closed, and our second syllable is going to be magic E, so it's going to say membrane. All right, our next word is going to be the word hopeless. Looking at our word, we automatically see that we have a suffix at the end, less. So we are actually going to circle that. Now we are going to take a look at our root word. We're going to underline our vowel, and we see that it follows a consonant and then our vowel E, which follows the magic E rule. So we are going to draw our arrow, mark it our magic E, and now we have hopeless. Our next word is going to be the word, we're going to figure out our next word. We are going to underline our vowels. We're going to underline our first two vowels. It's going to be our A and our I. We're going to mark them and draw our bridge and bring down our syllable. And then we see that we have another vowel. We're going to draw our bridge and mark it. All right, so then we see that we have an E at the end. We're going to see if that's going to be our magic E. Draw our arrow to our A to make sure it says it's long vowel sound. All right, let's look. So we've got a VCV word, and we're going to dot our line before our consonant and see if that makes sense. That will in turn make our first syllable open. Then we have another CVC or VCV, and we're going to mark it before our consonant, and we're going to leave that open and see what we got. We got navigate. That doesn't sound right. So let's mark that out, and let's move our line to after our consonant and see if on both of them and close, and that will turn both our first two syllables closed. Let's see if that works. Navigate. Now that looks like a word that I know. All right, let's see. Membrane, hopeless. Our last one, let's take a look. We've got the suffix bull at the end, the BLE. We've got consonant LE at the end. I do apologize for that. It's consonant LE, so we are going to circle that and mark it C-LE. And then we see that we have one vowel, and it is closed, so that's going to be a closed syllable, and we are now saying babble. So our words were membrane, hopeless, navigate, and babble.